As you can see, there's still crazy people out driving around in it. Certainly wouldn't be me. I wouldn't be out in this. So there's my garden, and as you can see, we really get a lot of snow here in the wintertime. So this is what my garden usually is at. But as you can see, it's one of the blizzards of 2014. And as you can see down the bottom of the street. Can't see anything, actually. Wonder how much snow we're supposed to get. My bicycle right there is completely submerged in snow. And the snowstorm just started. First snowstorm of 2014.